Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to, if you're new, as you can see by the title, today's video is a room makeover. Enjoy! So we're in Dirt Cheap right now. I just have a whole bunch of these succulents. It has the wood like I want in my room. I found this. This is $1.80, and then this is $9 for all three. And I got this little guy, which is like 40% off $1. So yeah, this is just what it looks like. You just have to dig to find it because all this stuff over here is 70% off. Alright guys, so I'm in Dollar Tree because I want to buy some more succulents and they're $1. So why not? Here's our whole succulent section. And they also have these little bowls that you can put them in. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do with it. A lot of people have bought these up. There's only a couple left. So I'm going to hurry and pick some of those up. And I'm going to pick up some loose succulents and we're going to put those inside.